Hi, my name is Debbie Suey, and this is my video journal for social characteristics of autism spectrum disorders that I have seen. My mild to moderate classroom has 7 of my 13 students being on the spectrum. I have 1 girl and 6 boys that are on the spectrum. The social characteristics that I've seen in my classroom, I have my girl who plays away from the others. She shows no interest in playing with the boys. She can be pleasant and vocal nicely, saying that she does not want to play with that child or does not want that child to join in with her. But if she is not prompted, she will elope the classroom if one of the kids comes over and wants to play with her and she's just not ready for it. One of my boys is more on the severe side. He initiates that he wants somebody to tickle him, but he does not verbalize or communicate that he has needs such as he's hungry or he's cold. It's really interesting to watch him. He'll come up and he'll say, tickle, and you'll go to tickle him. But then, if he's visibly, needs his sweater on, or if it's too warm and you ask, you would think that he would want to take his jacket off or do it himself. He does not. You have to totally initiate that for him. Another one of my boys is fascinated with numbers. He draws speedometers, batteries with the percentage left on there, and he will have lengthy conversations about numbers, and it's totally driven by him and what his interest is. He will always circle the conversation back around to what he was talking about and what he is fascinated with. I have 2 of my boys who will initiate conversations while I'm doing direct instruction. One of them, he'll all of a sudden, because I'm stand closest to him when I'm in front of my flat panel, and he'll just look up and he'll say, I'm hungry, or I'm tired, and he yawns really loudly. And then I have another one of my boys that randomly talks. He'll all of a sudden get on to a kick of, oh, I'm going on a vacation, and we're going to Hawaii. And then it's interesting because his vacations become more and more elaborate to where he's going, his destinations. I have another boy who wants to take polls from the classroom. He will, while I'm doing my instruction, he'll decide to come up next to me and he'll say, raise your hand if you, and we have to redirect him that he needs to go sit down. This is, my time where I'm doing my teaching. But it's interesting with that's how he engages with the class. He can be more, he disturbs the kids more. Like if the kids are doing puzzles on the floor, on the carpet, he'll come along and he'll mix up all of the puzzle pieces. So I don't know what his want is for that, but he just loves stirring up the kids. Then I have first, second, and third grade. My first and second graders, I have 10 of them, and they leave at about 50 minutes before my third graders leave. So we go ahead and we get the the first and second graders, they dismiss, and then I have my third graders. And then when it's time for my third graders to dismiss, one of my boys, he always wants to be first in line. He doesn't think about taking turns with the other two third graders. You say to him, okay, well, I think that I would like so-and-so to be the line leader when we're going out at dismissal. And he looks at you and it's like, well, why would you do that? Because I'm here. I'm the one that wants to be the, going out first. I really have lots of different characteristics that I have seen in my classroom. I know that going further into the year, I will see many, many more. But this is really enjoyable doing this class and seeing these things come out into my kids. Very, very, very interesting. Thank you for listening.